1 number question. Who composed the Asamiya Aru Engraji Abhidhan? A. Oliver Cutter. B. Levi Nidhi. C. Miles Bronson. D. Nathan Brown. Right answer, C. Miles Bronson. 2 number question. Who composed the Assamese dictionary Hemkosh? A. Hemchandra Barwa. B. Lakshminath Bechbarwa. C. Jogesh Das. D. Jagannath Barwa. Right answer, A. Hemchandra Barwa. 3 number question. Which Assamese association composed the Assamese dictionary Chandrakanta Abhidhan? A. Assam Association. B. Assam Sahitya Sabha. C. Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha. D. J. Nanpriya Darshini Sabha. Right answer, A. Assam Association. 4 number question. Which publisher published the modern Assamese dictionary? A. Assam Prakashan. B. Oxford Publishers. C. Cambridge Publishers. D. Sansad Prakashan. Right answer, A. Assam Prakashan. 5 number question. When was the Assam Sahitya Sabha established? A. The 27th of December 1910 AD. B. The 27th of December 1912 AD. C. The 27th of December 1917 AD. D. The 27th of December 1919 AD. Right answer, C. The 27th of December 1917 AD. 6 number question. Assam Legislative Council was established in A. 1913 AD. B. 1915 AD. C. 1917 AD. D. 1919 AD. Right answer, A. 1913 AD. 7 number question. Assam Legislative Assembly was established in A. 1937 AD. B. 1945 AD. C. 1946 AD. D. 1947 AD. Right answer, A. 1937 AD. 8 number question. When was the Jorhat Sahitya Sabha established? A. 1915 AD. B. 1917 AD. C. 1919 AD. D. 1920 AD. Right answer, A. 1915 AD. 9 number question. Who was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha? A. Padmant Gohain Barwa. B. Hemchandra Barwa. C. Maniram Dewan. D. None of the above. Right answer, A. Padmanath Gohain Barwa. 10 number question. Which one was the first college of Assam? A. Cotton College. B. Vidyasagar College. C. Guwahati College. D. Dibrugarh College. Right answer, A. Cotton College. 11 number question. Cotton College was named after A. Sir Henry John Stedman Cotton. B. Sir Stuart Cotton. C. Sir John Stuart Cotton. D. Sir B. Stuart Cotton. Right answer, A. Sir Henry John Stedman Cotton. 12 number question. When was the Cotton College established? A. 1901 AD. B. 1903 AD. C. 1905 AD. D. 1911 AD. Right answer, A. 1901 AD. 13 number question. When was the All Assam Ahom Sabha established? A. The 13th of May 1893 AD. B. The 13th of May 1895 AD. C. The 13th of May 1900 AD. D. The 13th of May 1920 AD. Right answer, A. The 13th of May 1893 AD. 14 number question. When was the All Assam Ahom Sabha renamed as All Assam Ahom Association? A. 1905 AD. B. 1910 AD. C. 1915 AD. D. 1920 AD. Right answer, B. 1910 AD. 15 number question. When was the All Assam Ahom Student Federation formed? A. 1940 AD. B. 1944 AD. C. 1946 AD. D. 1950 AD. Right answer, B. 1944 AD. 16 number question. Which wings of the British Army revolted against the British in 1857? A. Madras Army. B. Bombay Army. C. Bengal Army. D. None of the above. Right answer, C. Bengal Army. 17 number question. Which wing of Bengal Army raised the flag of revolt against the British in Assam during the revolt of 1857? A. 1st Assam Light Infantry. B. Artillery Section of Assam. C. Assam Cannon Force. D. Assam Archery Force. Right answer, A. 1st Assam Light Infantry. 18 number question. Bengal Army was also known as A. Purbiya Sepai. B. Attariya Sepai. C. Paschimiya Sepai. D. Dakshiniya Sepai. Right answer, A. Purbiya Sepai. 19 number question. Who among the following tried to illuminate the fire of revolt among the soldiers of 1st Assam Light Infantry of Bengal Army? A. Mani Ram Dewan. B. Hemchandra Barwa. C. Lachit Borphukan. D. None of the above. Right answer, A. Mani Ram Dewan. 20 number question. Where was first started the revolt of 1857 in Assam? A. Jamguri and Barpathar barracks in Nogara village. B. Guwahati. C. Nalbari. D. Barpeta. Right answer, A. Jamguri and Barpathar barracks in Nogara village.